school. I am your science teacher. We are learning chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. This is the last lecture of this chapter, and we are going to learn a very small topic called cell division. Now I keep it separate because it is quite interesting and if you try to see how does a new cell is formed and all, right? Let's see. If you see, we are now talking about cell division. Now see, new cells are formed in organisms in order to grow, to replace old and dead and injured cell. In our body, every day new cells are formed and old cells are replaced, right? They come out of our body through urine, right? And some are been utilized. So new cells, the process of getting a new cell is quite interesting. It's not that so much simple. Now the process by which a new cell is formed is called cell division. So what do you mean by cell division? Cell division, we call the process by which the new cell is formed is called cell division, right? Just a second. So the process, as what I said, the process by which new cells are formed are called cell division. Now there are two main types of process. One is called mitosis and is called meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis are the two processes by which a cell divides. Let's talk about the mitosis, the process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for growth. So whatever the growth, the cell which required and grown and it grow, those processes are done, those cells are divided with the help of mitosis. Again, the cells, new cells are formed to grow, to replace old, dead and injured cell. The process of cell division by which most of the cells divide for growth, again I am using for growth, is done through the process of mitosis. Through the process of mitosis. Now see, the first image, if you see in this image, right, this the rod like structure is a chromosomes. I already told you the chromatin, whenever a cell is going to divide, the chromatin material inside the nucleus, which is a hair like structure, they arrange themselves to become chromosome. This is a mother cell. Now mother cells divide into two daughter cells. Now if you see there, it has 4 chromosomes, right? And when this divide, okay, when this divide, this cell divide into two daughter cells. Can you see? So in mitosis process, the mother cell divide into two daughter cells, and it also have 4 chromosomes each. If you see, in daughter also each has 4 chromosomes. So see, that's what I was talking, that in this process each cell is called mother cell, divides to form two identical daughter cell. So it forms two identical daughter cell, right? The daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as mother cells. Mother has 4 chromosomes, two daughter cells also have 4 chromosomes. This help and repair, growth and repair the tissue in organisms, right? So whenever a cell is dying or it can be replaced or helps to grow, this daughter cells will grow and become a proper cell, right? So this is how a new cell is formed with the help of mitosis. We are talking a mitosis process. There are two types of processes. One is called mitosis and another is the meiosis. Mitosis process in which a mother cell is divided into two identical daughter cells. Mother cells have 4 chromosomes, daughter cells also have 4 chromosomes each, and helps in the growth and repair of the tissues. Now we are going to talking about meiosis. Now see, specific cells of a reproductive organs, right, or tissues in animals and plants divide to form gametes, right, like the male reproductive organ produce sperm and the female produces ovum, right. So we are talking about those cells. Sperm and ovum is also a cell, right. I'm just giving you an example, a part of the question, so that you can easily understand. Now, specific cells of a reproductive organs of, we are talking about animals and plants, okay, divide to form gametes. They form gametes, which after fertilization, when they mix with each other, give rise to a offspring. Offspring means a new cell, a new baby, right, and they keep on dividing, like in our human body, right. When a sperm and ovum get, they fertilize, and it takes 9 months for a baby to get born, for a complete healthy body, right. Otherwise it will be a premature, some organs or some systems are not developed properly and the baby is not healthy, right. So we are talking about plants and animals. The same thing happen, that the reproductive organs, that cells fertilize and gives rise to offspring. Now they divide by the process called meiosis. We call it as a meiosis again, right, which involve two consecutive division. Now if you see in this process, you can see there are two divisions happen. From 1 it will become 2, and from 2 it will become 4. So it is phase, right, G1, G2 and all. In 11th standard, when you're going to take biology, it is going to explain you which are more deeper into it, with all the things, what this red part is called and the gray part is called and everything. So right now we are talking the mother cell divided into 4 daughter cells, right. See, when a cell divides by meiosis, it produces 4 new cells, not just 2, it produces 4 new cells. But the new cells only have the half number of chromosomes. See, mother have 4, but if you see here in a daughter have only 2 chromosomes, right. So that is how it happen in a meiosis and a mitosis. So what we learn in a cell division, cell is divided to replace, in order to grow, replace old, dead and injured cell. There are 2 processes, one is called mitosis, other is called meiosis. Mitosis, in which a mother cell divide into 2 identical daughter cells, and both have same number of chromosome as a mother cell. In a meiosis, when a mother cell divides into 4 daughter cells and each having half of the chromosome as the mother cell. Clear? So this is a small topic of what we are talking, cell division. I hope you understand the whole chapter properly. You can post me any queries if you have any, right. I'm going to share the question answer sheets with you. Please keep reading, please do watch the video properly, ask me queries, and I'm here to help you anytime. Yeah, till then, thank you so much. Now the next chapter we are going to start is from physics, motion. Okay, till then, bye, take care, thank you.